If you've accidentally deleted your Gmail account, it's important to act quickly to recover it. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the account recovery page. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address of the account you wish to recover. Make sure to enter it correctly to ensure the recovery process can identify your account. Step 3. Follow the prompts. After entering your email, follow the on-screen prompt. Hugo will ask you to verify your identity through various methods such as sending a verification code to your recovery email or phone number. Step 4. Choose recovery option. Select the recovery option that works best for you. If you have access to your recovery email or phone, choose that method to receive a verification code to proceed with the recovery. Step 5. Restore your account. Once you receive the verification code, enter it as prompted. If successful, you will be guided through the steps to restore your account, including resetting your password if necessary. In conclusion, recovering a deleted Gmail account is possible if you act quickly and follow the necessary steps. Make sure to keep your recovery options updated to avoid any future issues.